Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. As I always say, you could be doing anything with your time, and the fact that you choose to spend a little bit of it with me, I appreciate it. Now I am a rookie YouTuber. I think I only have about 5 or 6 videos under my belt. And what I'd like to do now is acknowledge and thank the people that have subscribed to the channel, that give me likes. I appreciate it. And what it really tells me is there are some people interested in a few things that I have to say. So therefore, it kind of lights a fire under my butt to get some more content out there. And I want to keep you guys informed first and foremost. And a little entertainment never hurts anything. I hope you all enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I just finished enjoying it for the 4th time. Look at all this food. So I hope all is well with you and your families. My intention was to give you guys some more videos on slow motorcycle riding, specifically, obviously the friction zone that's always in play, with the rear brake, feathering the rear brake. Remember, you're not laying on it, you're feathering it. Because again, you want to keep your motorcycle moving at least above 5 miles per hour. So if you're in the perfect friction zone, but you're ramming the rear brake, it's kind of counterproductive. You might slow yourself down enough, to drop the motorcycle. Anyway, I don't want to talk about dropping the motorcycle because nobody's dropping the motorcycle. All of the rain that we were having, I couldn't make the videos I wanted to make. And now I was going to go out tomorrow and make a video. However, I got a phone call that the parts are in for my stage 3. So ordinarily I would be happy about that, but I'm not, because I wanted to get this video out to you guys, and they're going to have my motorcycle until Saturday. So I plan on making a video on Sunday. I need to see how this engine's going to be working though before I actually get into the video phase. I might record me getting used to this engine to see how it's going to affect how I ride. And the reason I say I might record it is because one of my goals, my number one goal, as I stated, is the main focus of my channel is to share relevant information with you guys. Second thing is I always want to be honest. As honest as I can be. And that includes not trying to make everything perfect. So if I make an error here or there, I'm not going to edit it out. I might just leave it in there just so you can see it, because sometimes it's comical. So anyway, I say this to say I'm not going to be able to make any videos until at least until at least Sunday. And now it's unusually cold here too. There's a cold front going down the northeast, and it's affecting everybody. So right now, it's 36 degrees in South Georgia, and that might sound like it's supposed to be 36 degrees. It's December 1st. Not here. So by next week, we'll be up until the upper 60s and low 70s, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So I know a lot of people have their motorcycles in hibernation now. There's no hibernation really down here in South Georgia. It might get cold a little bit at night, but in the daytime, you're still around 60, 65, sometimes 70. So I'm actually going to have to layer up a little bit to ride the motorcycle to Savannah Harley Davidson. Now I usually wear a short sleeve shirt when I go riding, and if I have a long sleeve shirt on, it's usually to protect me from the sun. But I'm gonna have to put on a jacket, and I might even have to put on long johns, because the wind hitting you. It's not a long ride, but it's long enough to get there and be cold. Now I'm not gonna resort to this. Now this is my this is my old highway patrol jacket. When we ride the motorcycles in the real cold. Here's a picture of me wearing this jacket back when I was employed. So I said I was going to sell it to somebody, and I still haven't. So if anybody's interested in this is a size 50. And I'm going to tell you right now, this jacket is heavy. It is heavy. This jacket is probably 7 to 10 pounds. Can you imagine wearing a jacket that's 7 to 10 pounds heavy, plus wearing a bullet-resistant vest, plus wearing a gun belt? Can you imagine? That's why it's one of these jobs. You have to stay in shape, and if the uniform and the stuff that you're wearing is a workout every time you're moving around in it, it counts. It's a size 50. But I will tell you, it's a size 50, but it's also tapered in the middle. I had all of my uniforms tapered, and that included the jacket, so everything looks neat. So Don't think if you're a 50 normally and you're a, you know, kind of big guy in the middle that you can get away with wearing this. It's not going to happen. Anyway, I won't be wearing that, but I definitely will be wearing some type of jacket tomorrow. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date on what's happening with the Street Glide. So the next time I'll be talking to you about the Street Glide will probably be on Sunday. Anyway, have a good evening. Take care. Stay safe. As always, I always want to pay it forward, and that's what I plan on doing. Godspeed. Wear those masks.